What's up guys, it's me Jason once again. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell button to be notified for more of my videos. Right now I am going to show you a very simple technique on how to checkmate the enemy. So as you can see on the screen, I only have my king and one piece, that is a rook, and I am going to checkmate this king, which is from my enemy, in just a matter of like few moves only. So alright, so let's begin this process. So the last move is h4. This king is coming from here to here. This is h4. H, this is column H, and 4, this is the under row number 4. Alright, so my move is there. So I don't want this king to go up somewhere there. So I want to let this king settle at the bottom part of the board. And also this king cannot cross towards the left. Why? Because my rook is actually like securing already this lane here. And also this rook is securing this lane here. Alright, so the only squares that this king can move is from here to here. Alright, so that's my move. So he moved there. So I want to move there so that this king could not go there. So there are only like 2 more squares, 1, 2 left for this king to move. Alright, so as much as possible I'd like to checkmate this king, like there's no other way for him to escape from. Alright, so he moved there. I don't want to put my rook from here to here. It's because the king will just eat that. So I need a support to this tower or rook. So I need to move this king to here. Alright, so that I can move this rook to here. So he moved up there. I cannot move there because when I am going to move it here, this king will go there. So the purpose of like boxing this king or giving this king a limited number of squares is just to secure all the lanes, right? This lane here and this lane here, or line. Okay, so my next move should be the king. Alright, so 2 more squares again. There's no other way than to move it here. Alright, so I don't want him to move there, so I better have to secure this lane here too. Alright, so there's 1 more square left for this king to move, which is this white square. So it's only like 1 square at a time, only a total of 2 squares that this king can move from here to here, here to here, and vice versa. Alright, so what am I gonna do next after his move? So I want to go up there because I don't want to move there, because the moment that I have to move from here to here, that's going to be a draw, meaning nobody wins. Why? That is called a stalemate. A stalemate is actually like a draw. Happens when the king is not under check and this king cannot move anymore. Alright, so can you imagine this rook will move here, not checking this king, so there was no check and the king should move, right? But he cannot move there because when the rook is here, it's securing both lines, right? So that's a stalemate, it's a draw. I don't want to do that because I want to win, right? So I just have to move up away from this so he can still move from here to here. Alright, there, and then he cannot move up, guys. 1 more. Why? Because when my king and his king is aligned, it's going to be a checkmate. Yes, it's going to be a checkmate. So that's what I am after for, to align my king to his king. Of course, this king will not go there because it's going to be aligned right, and it's going to be a checkmate. So meaning this king can only move from here to here and here to there. It's vice versa. Alright, so I want to go there again. So he wants to move there because he cannot move here, right? because when he moves here, I just have to do a checkmate here. Alright, so it's only 2 squares. I want to go there. Right? So this king is actually prisoned now, and there's one more left for him. This is the only square that he can go. There. So as you can see, they are both aligned, and that's a checkmate. Why? Look at this. It's a check. So this king cannot go there because there's a king, and this king cannot move away from this line to here because there's a king. So that's why when you have a rook or a queen and that both kings are aligned with no other pieces around, just like this scenario, it's going to be a checkmate. So this is going to be the event that we are after for to do a checkmate using a rook or a queen, because a queen can also function as a rook, securing a lane or a line, right? So a rook and a king can mate or can checkmate the opponent when both kings are aligned. Alright, so that will be it. Thank you very much for listening, and more video tutorials to come. Thank you for subscribing and hitting the bell button to be notified for more. Alright, see you guys later. Bye bye.